Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my JewelScent, Jewels of America subscription. This is a monthly subscription and I always said I would finish out my map, but I don't think I'm going to anymore. I got kind of mad earlier and canceled my account. So what happened was when I moved, I made sure to update every subscription box I have, and they still kept coming to my old house. Now, thankfully, I still have access to that house. The postal service forwarding system is also not working, so that's extra cool. So this box was sitting at a vacant house for a long time. So I went, double checked. It updated my address. It's on my account. So I sent an email to customer service and said if they can update my subscription. And she told me they can't make any changes once you have a subscription. So you change your address, ring size, anything. Nope, can't do it. Can't do it. What? She said in order to do it, I would have to cancel my subscription and then immediately go back in and order the subscription again and then update the details. And I've been dealing with so much little crap with selling that house that just like pushed me over the edge. So I canceled and I have not resubscribed. Probably won't, because do you guys ever do that? You just like get in a mood and like when it's so many things on top of one, you're like, nope, that's my breaking point. Annoyed. So let me get the card out. This is for New Mexico, the land of enchantment. Sweet Orange Chile. I was about to say it smells like a dreamsicle is what it smells like. Just pulling it out of the box, but we'll see. It smells good. They've also changed a lot with the subscription, and I don't know. Don't really like JewelScent's jewelry anymore, so not even too mad, really. I mean, I kind of wanted to finish it, just to finish the map, but that's also kind of silly to spend like $45 a month just to finish a map. So money will be spent elsewhere. Hopefully you guys aren't too heartbroken about that. The extra item this month, though, is a bar of soap. And this does not have jewelry in it, but this would, and it's valued at least $40, so I'm going to start burning it, and I'll be back to show you what's inside. Okay, so you can see the package there. And the one thing I do like about this company is they don't glue the packages down. So you don't have to burn them very long to get them out. But like I said, they have changed so much over the years. Their jewelry has changed. At first, I liked that they offered earrings and necklaces and other pieces of jewelry just to switch it up. But I don't like that that's a part of the subscription, because I really liked just the rings, and I get kind of bummed if I get sent a set of earrings because I don't ever switch out my earrings. So if anything, I feel like they should let subscribers customize. Do they care what kind of jewelry, or do they only want rings? I guess that makes it a little bit difficult for production wise, but I think they're going to lose a lot of people because maybe they don't want necklaces or earrings. They only want rings. So I don't know. That's just my 2 cents, but I did get a necklace this time. Came with a lovely Made in China sticker stuck to the bag, which kind of made me laugh. And then here is the necklace. It did appraise for $40, so that's the minimum you would ever get with this subscription. It is adjustable. And the pendant is rather large, but I mean, it's pretty. You could pretty much wear it with anything. But yeah, I might do some of these. I won't subscribe anymore, but if they make extras, they do allow you to buy them. So I might still get a couple of the states. We will see. But let me know your thoughts and comments in the box below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.